guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Ayan, so today is July 3rd at tomorrow is July 4th, which is Independence Day dito sa US, at maraming nagpapaputok, I mean mga fireworks, and kanina we just went dun sa bilihan ng mga fireworks para bumili ng mga ibang fireworks at ipapakita ko yung video.
Oh, this
Lucy's?
oh, it's like a built thing. 99.
That's 99.
Cool thing.
You know how to do that? Are you sure?
This is a nice one.
Yeah, 149. I think the price is already down, like mura na siya. 4,000 special. 17. What else? Wala bang Lucy's dyan?
Oh, this one.
What is that? I have no idea too.
Alright, let's go. Okay, has the right picture. Everybody good? Has the right picture. I'm the person who got the crazy.
Balls of fire. How much is that? 99. La, sige, kuha ka lang. Oops. Tarotot to. You want some fireworks? Look at that.
Oh, I know you're talking about.
Fireworks. What is this? Wala bang Lucy's?
What?
Lucy's.
Lucy.
Yung hinahawakan lang. Like yung hinahawakan lang, babe. Wala ba yun? Hungry wife. Pasta party. What is that?
Fireworks thing.
I don't want to. Take a 16 shots party. The Jader.
This one, the ribbon. You gotta try this one.
Are we allowed? Oh, landed
It's a
free.
fireworks, a small firework.
Sure.
Yeah.
You need to prepare the hose. Peekaboo. Junkyard. Different kinds of fireworks in here.
You don't have one?
Very slimy. Jellyfish. Oh, what is this? American Pyro. There's like over there. What is that?
Fireworks thing.
How do you? Yeah. What are these? Saturn missiles.
What's this all this? You got legs. You wanna get this one too?
I don't know how to do that.
No, just gotta make them.
Huh, that's $15.99. Wala ba yung nahawakan lang na ano? I mean,
Yung takiligera.
no.
Ito yun.
Cool. Skunk.
They welded it. He's gonna
Hmm?
Light?
Yeah. Hindi, yan yung parang mahaba lang. Mahaba lang parang ito. Oh, this one, babe. I think this one. Okay, Tokyo stick. Tata yun eh. Yeah. Yung ano lang, ganyan lang siya. Nahawakan lang.
Ito yata yan eh.
Patriot stick. Glow stick. This is just a glow stick. Glow stick. Yan lang ba yung nahawakan?
Yeah, ito.
Oh, yeah.
Dalawa.
Yeah. Saan tayo? What do you call this one? Fluorescent. I think this one too. Ito, mas mura.
Oh, smoke bowl.
This is what we call.
Oh, let's go try this. Ito? Good thing?
Kulang pa yan. We got this one. What about let's get more of these instead of those.
No, this one guys.
You want that? Okay, you want me to hold it?
No, this one.
Okay. Pila na ako? Tomorrow is gonna be July 4th. Mas mahaba doon. Ang mahal pala nito, babe. 36.49. Pang ano na yan, no? Ito, yung may display na. Tama ba?
Maliit lang para sa akin.
Yeah. Kabahala dyan, ah. Dami-dami yan.
Plastic bag or something. You're gonna need a different plastic bag or something.
Yeah. Madami-dami yun, diba? Ay, kabala dyan. Lucis lang yun sa akin. Yung may stick lang yun sa akin. Yan.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Unsa? Okay. Yeah, mas dali sa balik ibang siguro.
At we just want burgers and mag-iihaw. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Brahms to buy a burger. Para bumili ng burgers. And ayan, ang daming fireworks. Look. Ayan, nagpapa-fireworks na sila. Ayan, paunti-unti. Pero kanina may fireworks doon. So, bago pa tayo maputukan, ayan, kasi kanina habang nasa biyahe ako, ang dami nang nagpapaputok sa kalsada. At kailangan natin bilisan dahil ito na yung time na Kumbaga, sasalubungin nila yung, hindi pa nila sasalubungin, pero start na silang magpaputok ng mga fireworks. So, usually kasi kapag July 4th lang, dun lang talaga may fireworks. Kaya, dun lang din ako nakakanood ng mga fireworks displays. And, ayun. So, bili muna tayo. We need to grab bag of burgers, ice cream, and drinks. And, uwi na tayo ng bahay para hindi tayo maabutan ng mga paputok sa daanan. Alrighty. Let's go. Right, our orders is here. And kumain na rin ako ng burger dahil ako ay gutom na. I still need to go to places to buy yung ice. Kasi sa akin natin nabili is hindi malamig. Ayan. Tapos after ng cases, we're good to go. Yun lang yun.
Hey! One more! One more. Hey, do 100 times of those, please. I'll give you a discount next year.
May fireworks bukas po.
Oh my goodness.